everyone, this is KJ Vlogs. Ang last na pair na maglalaban-laban for the sing-off round from Team Believe for today's video. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Si Venice. Ang gagaling ng mga
Isang anime girl po. Hindi masyadong maganda yung drawing po. But I tried my best and had fun doing that.
It has to be very cute.
Ay, Englishera talaga sila.
Elegant and very demure. I never knew I could say that.
I never knew that I could say that. Oh, magaling din to.
It's emotional and heartbreaking.
Anong song?
That's a nice tone, first of all. That's a great tone.
Sa tingin ko is you're kind of holding back pa rin, especially when the song kind of takes you up. Parang natatakot ka pa.
So you have to focus on
Ano kayang song?
Especially yung song choice ni Coach Billy. Pwede mo siyang ikwento. It's not simple to say. Paano yung melody nun?
It's not simple to say.
Nag-adjust siya the way that
Hindi ako familiar sa kanta.
to translate the song para sa amin.
I'm very grateful he told me that po so that I can improve and see where I can learn my mistakes.
Yeah,
and
go girl.
how I can fix those po.
Play them all, Charis.
Not simple to say.
Oh my God. The enunciation. Grabe ang istorya. Oh! Oh my God, ang gagaling ng mga kids. Emotional si Billy. Oh my God! Wow! Oh. Galing! Galing, galing!
She is gone, but she used to be mine.
Ang galing! My God! Oh my God, ang gagaling nila. Pero hindi ko kaya.
Very nonchalant pero sobrang
Sino naman to?
Rexelin, hi Kaiji.
Si Rexeline. Sino nga si Rexeline?
Good morning mga kapuso. Welcome to my all-day
Ang bongga ng
vlog.
boses,
And
medyo-
kakagising ko lang po.
medyo husky.
Tara, Shabet, kain na. Ayan po, nandito na po kami sa school. Ability of a subject to react.
Wait natin, may mga substance na silang subject. Charis. Mga high school na to, no?
Hello, Rexily. Alam mo naman yung song na pinili ko para sa'yo, no?
Oh.
Hindi naman siya masyadong mahirap for you.
Ah, si Billy yung namimili ng kanta.
Yes!
Nung maliit pa po ako, kinakanta ko na po siya nung 5 po ako. Sa mga mall po or...
5 years old.
Sobrang unexpected ni Rexy. Parang nonchalant. Tapos biglang,
I think nandun na yung voice mo, nandun na yung atake mo para sa kantang to. I really think you should understand that you should just let it go talaga. Let it go. Gusto kong marinig nila yung
Medyo po kinakabahan pero happy din po at the same time. Kasi
G.
sinasabi ko po sa sarili ko na manalo matalo, kaya ko to.
Go. Oh my God, ano kakantahin niya? Parang hindi pa sinabi, ah. From Team Believe.
The snow blows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to see. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside.
Oh my God.
Could
Yes. Eh? Uy, magaling sila parehas. Ay, wow. Oops. For me yung nauna. Sige nga. Oh my God. At tinaas pa. Hindi naluloka ko sa kanila. Oh my God, wait lang, naluloka ako sa kanila. Parang hindi ako makamove on sa mga performances ngayon ng Team Believe. Sa totoo lang. Actually, it's really, really hard for me. Pero magaling din kasi talaga sila eh. Magaling talaga sila. And yeah, that is our for today's video, guys. Hindi ko kinaya. Sobra. Actually, itong last part na to ng kay Team Believe, parang mahihirapan si Billy dito for sure. Mahihirapan talaga siya. Mararamdaman ko talaga. So that is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!